Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change username on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto three line. Settings and privacy. Settings. After that, click on see more in account center. Click on select profile. Now shown here to username option. Click on, and here you can easily edit or change your username. And then finally click on to done. Okay, now done. Now successfully change username on Facebook. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.